Whether you're brand new to gardening or a seasoned green thumb, we all have questions. And guess what? You're not alone. Today we're answering the 8 most searched gardening questions online so you can grow with confidence. Number 1, when is the best time to prune roses? Roses love a fresh start. Prune them in late winter or early spring, right as new growth appears. Cut above the outward-facing buds and clear out any dead or damaged wood. Your reward? Healthier plants and bigger blooms. A master gardener tip? Use clean, sharp pruners and make angled cuts. 2. When should I prune my hydrangeas? Hydrangeas aren't a one-size-fits-all. Bigleaf and oak leaf bloom on old wood. Prune after flowering in summer. Panicle and smooth bloom on new wood. Prune in late winter or early spring. Master gardener tip? Not sure what type you have? Watch when it blooms. Number 3. How long does grass seed take to grow? Patience, my friend. Ryegrass sprouts in 5 to 10 days. Bluegrass and fescue 14 to 21 plus days. Keep it moist and warm and let nature do the rest. Master gardener tip? Lightly mulch with straw to retain moisture. Number 4. When's the best time to prune an apple tree? Prune apple trees in late winter or early spring while the tree is still sleeping. Clear out crowded or damaged branches and open up the canopy. Master gardener tip? Shape the tree like a wine glass for light and airflow. Number 5. How do I lay turf properly? Start with a level, weed-free soil. Lay turf in a staggered pattern and press the seams tightly. Water immediately and daily for a few weeks. Your master gardener tip? Roll the turf to eliminate air pockets and ensure contact. Number 6. How do I get rid of rodents in my garden? Rats or mice? Time to clean house. Remove food in their shelter, use natural deterrents like peppermint oil, and consider humane traps if needed. Your tip here? Owl boxes invite natural predators to patrol your garden. Number 7. How do I keep those pesky cats out of my garden? Cats can be cute and chaotic. Use citrus peels, rough textures, or motion sprinklers to gently discourage digging and visits. Your master gardener tip here? Plant lavender or rue. Cats dislike the scent. Number 8. What are the best plants to grow in my yard? Your garden success starts with knowing your condition. Sun or shade? What's your zone? Native or low maintenance plants? Choosing what thrives locally saves time, money, and water. Your tip here? Group your plants by their sun and water needs. It'll make irrigation easier and help your garden grow. Gardening is full of questions, but that's part of the fun. Keep asking, keep growing, and enjoy the journey. Join us at our blog or subscribe to this video channel for more garden wisdom. Have a great day.